So this time we're going to try to find the equation of a line. So any linear line, which is a straight line, has the equation y equals mx plus b, where m is the gradient and b is the y-intercept, or sometimes people call this c instead of b. It doesn't matter, either is fine. So one is where it crosses the y-intercept or y-axis, and the other one is the gradient. So if I was trying to find the equation of this line, we know that it has the equation y equals mx plus b. So we need to find the gradient and we need to find the y-axis intercept. So the y-axis intercept is very easy here. We can see there it crosses at 1. So that tells me that this value here is 1. Now I need to find the gradient. So pick any 2 points and find the rise and the run. So the run there is 1, the rise is 3, and the gradient is rise over run, which is 3. So therefore my final answer is y is equal to 3x plus 1, and that would be the equation of my line. Doing the same again, we know that we get the equation y equals mx plus b. We know that the y value here is 5, it's where it crosses the y-axis. So the y value is 5. We're now trying to find the gradient, so I'm picking 2 points where it crosses the grid exactly. The rise is 2, the run is 4. So the rise is 2, the run is 4. That gives me 1/2 if I simplify it. So my final answer, y is equal to 1/2 of x plus 5. So you can still have fractions, you can have negative numbers, anything at all, so long as you've got the gradient times x, and then you've got the y-intercept at the end. So thinking about this question, we know that it's in the form y equals mx plus b. We can see that the b value is 5, and the y value, the gradient, the run is 1, always the left to right. The rise this time is -1. We've dropped down by 1, so the gradient is rise over run. This time it's -1. So my final equation is -1x plus 5, which is fine to write, or we can simplify that to just -x plus 5, where we don't write the 1. So looking at the last one, we know that it's y equals mx plus b. We can see that the b value is 5 again, and the gradient crosses exactly here and exactly here. So I'm going across, the run is 2, the rise is 6, or -6 because I've gone downhill. Don't forget the negative. So rise over run, which gives me -3. So therefore your final answer is y is equal to the gradient, which is -3x plus 5. And that would be the final equation for your line.